What if I told you that you could have a stunning, beautiful garden without watering it every day, without pulling weeds every weekend, and without spending a fortune? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today I am going to show you 5 rock garden ideas that are low cost, low effort, and honestly, they look amazing all year round. So stay with me till the end because idea number 4 is my personal favorite and it might just change the way you look at your outdoor space forever.
Before we get into the ideas, let me quickly tell you why rock garden are becoming so popular right now. Number 1, they need almost zero watering. Rocks don't get dry out. Your plants survive on their own. Number 2, no moving, no weeding. Once you set it up, it basically takes care of itself. Number 3, rocks are cheap in many places. You can even find them for free from your backyard, a nearby riverbank, or a construction site. And number 4, they look gorgeous in any climate, whether you live somewhere hot and dry or cold and rainy. Rocks always looks good. Okay, now let's get into the good stuff. Idea number 1 is the dry riverbed, and it is one of the most beautiful things you can add to any garden. The concept is simple. You arrange smooth river rocks in a winding path, and if a small stream used a flow through your garden, it gives your outdoor space a very natural, peaceful look. You don't need any special tools, just collect some smooth stones, different sizes were great, and place them in a curved line across your garden bed. You can add a few small plants or ornamental grasses along the edges to make it looks even more realistic. This one is perfect for areas where rainwater tends to collect. The rock actually help with drainage too. So it's a both beautiful and functional idea. Number 2 is super simple and you can do this in a single afternoon. Just place rocks in a neat border around your existing plants or flower bed. That's it. It sounds basic, but it makes a huge difference. The rocks frame your plant beautifully, they keep the soil in place and they stop weed from growing in from the edges. You can use any kind of rocks. White pebbles look very clean and modern, while natural gray stones gives a more real rustic feel. If you want to make it look extra neat, use rocks that are roughly the same size and place them close together. Idea number 3, stepping stone path. The stepping stone path idea, this is one of the both practical and super good looking. Take large flat rocks and place them in a line through your garden, leaving small gaps between each one. These become your walking path. You can fill the gap between stones with smaller pebbles, moss, or even ground covered plants like thyme or creeping jenny. All of these glow low and spread naturally between the stones. The great things about this idea is that it guides visitors through your garden. It creates a sense of journey like there's always something new to discover around the corner. And the best part, no digging required. Just place, adjust the, and you are done. Okay, this is my personal favorite idea number 4, rock mulching. If you don't know what mulching is, it is simply means covering the soil around your plants with a layer of material. Most people use wood chips or bark, but rocks are even better. Here's why. When you spread a layer of small rocks or pebbles over your soils, it locks its moisture. So you water your plants less often. It also blocks sunlight from reaching the soil so weeds can't grow. And unlike wood mulch, rock don't rot. They don't need replacing and they actually get more beautiful over time as they weather. Use lava rocks for a modern dramatic look. Use white pebble for a clean, minimal style. or mix different color for a fun, electric feel. Honestly, this single idea can completely transform of how your garden looks and reduce your maintenance time by half. And last but definitely not least, the Zen garden idea. If you want a space in your garden that feels calm, peaceful, and almost meditative, this is it. A Zen garden is inspired by traditional Japanese garden design. It uses a flat layer of fine sand and or gravel with carefully placed rock on top. Sometimes people rake the sand into gentle wave pattern around the rocks. You don't need a big space for this. Even a small corner of your garden or a large tray on your patio can become a beautiful Zen garden. Add a few simple elements like a small bamboo plants, a smooth round boulder, or a simple wooden bench nearby, and you have a peaceful little retreat right in your own backyard. Before I wrap up, here are three quick tips to make your garden looks even better. Tip number one, mix your rock sizes. Don't use all the same rock sizes. A mix of large, medium, and small create a more neutral, realistic look. Tip number two, use landscape fabric underneath before you lay your rocks. Put down a layer of landscape paper. It blocks weeds from growing up through the rocks without stopping water drainage. You will thank yourself later. Tip number three, get your rock for a free. Check your own backyard first. Then look near river hiking trails.
Here is a quick gardening tip. See these messy, weedy rocks? Landscape fabric makes the difference. So what do you think of the rock garden? Do you have any green thumb tips? I'm really happy with it. Do you have All right, guys, are you ready for this? I cannot wait to show you what is behind me.